Hello students, I hope all are doing good. This video is recording BEEE Part B. Today our topic is going to be multiplexer. So far in the last videos we have seen what you mean by combinational circuit and one of the example of combinational circuit, that is adder. And the next example of combinational circuit is multiplexer. In today's video we are going to discuss about multiplexer, what do you mean by multiplexer, and how you are going to design a multiplexer, its functioning, applications and advantages. And multiplexer can also be called as mux. In short, you can call multiplexer as mux also. And first we are going to see what you mean by multiplexer. A multiplexer is a combinational logic circuit used to select only one input among several inputs based on selection lines. Once again I am repeating, multiplexer is a combinational logic circuit used to select only one input among several inputs based on selection lines. In clear, what do you mean by that means, in any mux you are going to have, in any mux you can have several inputs, but you are going to have only one output. It is going to select your output, one output. This output is going to be selected from your several inputs. That means in any multiplexer your inputs can be more, or you can have more number of input, different signals you can apply to the multiplexer, but the final output is going to be only a single output. This single output is selected from this several inputs. See here, it is going to use it to select one input among several inputs. That means your output is selected from this several inputs based on selection lines. What does the selection lines mean? In general, you are going to have a multiplexer like this, and if you are going to have a 4 different input signals, I am stating as D0, D1, D2 and D3. These 4 are my inputs, and I am going to have only one output. Remember, it is very important, in any multiplexer the output will be one output. Whatever the number of inputs you are going to give, but the output of a multiplexer is going to be a single output. How we are going to get this single output from this different inputs means, in a multiplexer you are going to have one dialer. If you are going to move this dialer to at D0, that is port 0, 1, 2 and 3. If I am going to move my dialer to the port 0, the output going to select D0 as its output. Or if I am going to move my dialer to port 2, the output is going to select D2 as output. Or if I am going to move my dialer to port 3, D3 is going to be my output. Here a question can arise that how this dialer is going to move, or how it is going to select a particular input as an output. To select these inputs, you are going to have a selection lines. For every multiplexer you are going to have selection lines. I am taking two selection lines and stating it as S1 and S2. How this dialer is going to select this inputs from based on the selection lines means, if the selection lines are 0 0, it is going to take D0 as output. If your selection lines are 0 1, it is going to take it as D1 as output. If your selection lines are 1 0, it is going to take your output as D2. And if your selection lines are 1 1, it is going to take it as D3. That's how your multiplexer is going to select one output from several inputs based on your selection lines. As it is going to select the data from your inputs, you can call your multiplexer as data selector. You can also call your multiplexer as data selector. Why we are calling it as data selector means the output is selected from your different input sources by using your selection lines. Depending on this selection lines, you are going to select the required or desired output as your final destination output. So your multiplexer is also called as data selector. And one of the important point is, in any multiplexer you are going to have 2 power n inputs, where n is called selection lines. Depending on your inputs, that is 2 power n inputs, you are going to have for any multiplexer 2 power n inputs. Here n is called as selection lines, and your final output is going to be only one output. Again I am repeating, for any multiplexer you can have 2 power n inputs and only one output, where n is called selection lines.